Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to duplicate a project in Lovable to create a backup, reuse a design, test changes safely, or build a new site faster, this guide will show you exactly how to do it the right way. So in Lovable 2026, project duplication is simple, but many users aren't sure where the option is, what gets copied, or why duplication sometimes fails. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to duplicate a Lovable project in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common duplication issues users face, like can't find the duplicate option, project duplicated but looks different, changes affect the original project, or assets missing after duplication, or finally, confusion between copy versus template. So first thing first, log in to your Lovable account. You will land on the project's dashboard, locate the project you want to duplicate, and make sure the project is fully saved before duplicating. So open project options like this one. Okay, so hover over the project card, click the three dots option or project menu. Okay, so it should be here. So you have to update or upgrade your Lovable account. Okay, so look for duplicates, okay, or copy projects, and this option is usually available directly from the dashboard. So duplicate the project, click duplicate or copy. Lovable creates a new project automatically. The new project appears in your dashboard. So the duplicated projects would usually be named something like project name and between brackets the copy of the project's name or the name of the project's one. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.